Remove this trim panel. Remove this trim panel. Remove trim panel screws for total. Remove button trim panel. Unplug button connector. Remove this trim panel. Remove air vent trim to screws. Extract trim panel. Mark original position of latch assembly. Remove latch assembly. Remove latch spring. Install electric latch hook. Reinstall latch spring. Secure pull hook. Reinstall latch assembly. Connect ground wire. Connect power wire and fuse. Route electric latch safety cable to indicate trim position. Verify electric latching effect.